Hi, my name is Justin Taylor. I'm interested in applying for the NESA World Explorers program, specifically the Amazon Biologist and the Galapagos Island Biologist programs that you offer. I am a master's student at Brigham Young University. I work underneath Dr. Sam St. Clair, who is a wildfire biologist. I started out working in the Mojave Desert, where I was studying plant and pollinator interactions in environments that had been burned by wildfire. And I was actually able to co-author on the paper that was published in that system. I also did some work in the montane forests throughout the Rocky Mountains. We were looking at aspen and conifers and the way that they regrew after fire, and how deer, elk, and cattle limited the ability of that system to regrow. And then I started working in the Great Basin sage steppe landscape, where we were looking at invasive species that were changing the way that the fire cycle operated there. And we were looking at ways to better manage that environment, and found some interesting things about the way that rodents interact with those systems. And I've actually continued that research onto a master's degree, and have presented the research at national conferences like the Society of Range Management or the Ecological Society of America. And I'm really just looking for the next thing to study. I'm super interested in post-disturbance ecology, and I think that both the Galapagos Islands and the Amazon rainforest offer opportunities to study that kind of thing. I actually was able to go on a study abroad to the Amazon area. I studied at the E-Arena Field School near Tena, Ecuador. And I was doing my own research while I was there. It was a mentored research where I actually started and finished my own project while I was there. It was on leafcutter ants and their foraging habits. I've also started to get into marine biology. I recently was scuba certified and have 5 dives under my belt, 3 of which took place while I was in the Philippines, which is one of the most biodiverse areas in our oceans. And I am hoping that this NESA World Explorers program will give me an opportunity to meet some ecologists and to network, and hopefully find someone who is doing research that interests me, so that I can plan what I'm going to do for my PhDs and postdocs, and hopefully continue in the sciences, and really get into this industry, and speak to those people who really care about what I know. And I'm super interested in this program, and I hope that you consider me, and I hope to see you soon.